Filmora versus iMovie, which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without frustration. Filmora offers versatile features, while iMovie delivers seamless Apple integration. Filmora and iMovie are two popular video editing tools designed for different users. Filmora is a cross-platform editor known for its wide range of creative options, whereas iMovie is an Apple-exclusive app focused on simplicity and smooth performance within the Apple ecosystem. Filmora is a powerful video editor developed by Wondershare that works on both Windows and macOS. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface combined with advanced features like multi-track editing, a rich library of effects, transitions, and overlays. Filmora supports a wide variety of video formats and enables users to export projects in high resolution. Its strength lies in balancing ease of use with enough depth for intermediate creators, making it ideal for YouTubers, marketers, and hobbyists seeking creative freedom. However, Filmora's advanced tools may present a learning curve for absolute beginners, and some features require a paid subscription for full access. Overall, Filmora suits users who want a flexible, feature-rich editor that adapts to various project needs without being overly complex. iMovie is Apple's native video editing software available exclusively on macOS and iOS devices. It features a streamlined interface designed for quick editing with professional-looking results. iMovie excels in seamless integration with Apple hardware and software, supporting 4K video, easy sharing to Apple platforms, and smooth performance optimized for Mac and iPhone. Its drag-and-drop timeline, preset themes, and built-in soundtracks make it accessible for beginners and casual users. The main limitation is its availability only on Apple devices and a more limited feature set compared to some competitors, which can restrict advanced editing needs. iMovie is perfect for users deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem who want a straightforward editor for personal projects, social media videos, or quick edits without a steep learning curve. Comparing Filmora and iMovie highlights key trade-offs. Filmora offers cross-platform support and a broader set of creative tools, making it suitable for users who want versatility and deeper customization. In contrast, iMovie provides a highly optimized experience for Apple users, with features tailored for seamless integration and ease of use. For example, a Windows user creating diverse video content will benefit more from Filmora's flexibility, while a Mac user focused on quick edits and sharing within Apple's ecosystem will find iMovie more efficient. Filmora's advanced effects come with a learning curve and subscription cost, whereas iMovie is free but limited to Apple devices. Choosing between them depends on your operating system, editing complexity, and whether you prioritize creative control or convenience. Filmora is recommended for creators seeking a versatile cross-platform editor with extensive features and customization options beyond basic video editing. iMovie is ideal for Apple users who want a simple, reliable editor that integrates perfectly with macOS and iOS devices. It delivers efficient editing for personal and casual projects, making it a great choice for beginners within the Apple ecosystem.